This didn't happen last time I was here. I haven't seen this before.
Oh my god! How's it? What's cracking? My name's Harry McNulty and welcome to another fun day. So today we are at the Blue Hole Park and this is one of my favorite places on the island of Bermuda. It is absolutely stunning. I'm going to be checking out a couple awesome hidden caves, grottos and going for a swim. So I need to get ready first, right? Easy as that. And now I also have a friend who has got to join me. So
hello.
Welcome, Thomas. How are you, brother?
Great. Thank you for showing me the spot. It looks gorgeous. So
it is.
I'm not wearing the Speedos, but you know,
we'll have to get you a pair.
Yeah, I hope I still, you know, qualify for the Funday.
Definitely. Yeah.
Attire.
Yeah. Well, every episode we'll just get these shorter and shorter.
Yeah, exactly.
Just take an inch off,
Just
and
go like that. Cool.
we're ready to go.
Now we're ready.
Okay. So let's crack into it. We're here and we're ready to do it. Sweet. You. Epic.
I feel like I'm in an Instagram video right now. Just need like a montage and like a, I don't know, like EDM song.
Oh, this is most EDM songy ever.
Exactly.
Yeah. Keep going, bro. We got a little bit more to go to the cooler kind of jump, but I mean this.
Another jump.
Yes, this water's amazing. You'll see it.
Higher up.
Slightly.
Slightly higher up. Up here or down here?
Just down there. Yeah. This is the jump.
Dude, I can't believe we're having this spot just for ourselves right now. No way. Whoa. Dude. This is awesome. It's pretty, I mean, it's kind of high up. It's not like not high up.
No.
Like what is this?
Do you know what because it's so clear, it actually looks lower, if that makes sense.
I see.
Because you don't have as much of a depth of field, like you can't really understand it.
It's hard to see how far the water is.
Yeah,
here.
it's perfectly fine. So, yeah, we're here at my favorite jump spot, and I think it's gainer time, baby.
Gainer time.
You. Let's do it. You. 3, 2, 1. It's gainer time, baby. Oh man,
How's that?
it's better every time.
Dude.
Oh, I love it. Come on, it's your time to jump, son. Woohoo! Yeah, baby.
All right, let's do it. Yeah, man. Wow. Woo! That was awesome. How cool is that, man?
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, I can't believe we're alone here right now.
You got it all to yourself. This is local knowledge. Dude, you know, I told you about that like dark hole that you can swim around-ish?
Yeah.
So it's here. It's crazy.
You've done this before, right?
Yes, I have.
Ready? Yeah, baby, we did it! Yo! Oh my god! Wow! Man, that was so cool! Oh, oh, that was so cool! Wow! Dude, that was epic! Man, whoa! Shoo! Crazy! Alright, so right across from the Blue Hole, there's some more caves. There's loads of caves in this place. So what we got here is this epic hole into the ground, and you go in, you swim through, and you come out here to this like beach kind of area over there. It's super cool, super chill. and totally tourist friendly. So check this out. Oh yeah, here we go.
Where are you taking me, Harry?
Oh, this is where I've been staying. This is my new residency. It's all I could afford. You know, Bermuda's quite expensive. So.
And there's an exit?
Yes, there is an exit. There's a cool exit.
But if you walk through, you got this epic cave into this beautiful, beautiful cave. Man. Wow. How beautiful is this? Cave. Airport. So, with the beautiful beaches here in Bermuda and the shallow waters, what you get is these small shoals of fish. So that's all little fishies hanging out. And to prove it, we've got some small rocks. This is harmless. So harmless, right? Let's see what these bad boys do. We'll go 1. Hey, 2. What is that? They move around. This is the critical right that we need to take, and then this is where it counts. So, and this is what I love to do: meet the locals, do what the locals do, and then get to show others how they can do it themselves. That's the dream. That's the dream, baby. So how cool is this water? We follow through here. Yes. The old compass has been re-evaluated. All good, boss?
All good.
Good man.
Dude, it looks like you just fell out of midsummer.
Drop your stuff. This entrance is like the bat layer. Wow. Oh my God. Dude. This didn't happen last time I was here. I haven't seen this before. The light rays, like in Tulum at the cenotes, are piercing through the water right now.
Wow.
Oh my God!
Oh my.
You can dive straight from here out into that. No problem. Just dodge this rock. Wow.
Dude.
How cool is this?
How cool is that?
Wow. Whoa, the cave keeps going down here?
Yeah. Oh, dude, what a cool photo. All right, so you can see the rays. It's beautiful. Thomas has just nailed it. Now it's my time to shine, baby. All right, let's do it. Okay. Ready? Set. Go. Woo! Yeah, man. How cool is this? This is hitting paradise right here. This is Bermuda, baby. Oh my God! We had the best day. We had the funnest fun day ever. Oh,
Thank you for taking me on this Funday adventure.
no problem whatsoever. Thank you for joining me, bro. Like, I'm mind blown about what happened today. I had the best time, and yeah, hopefully, if you ever make it to this amazing rock in the middle of the Atlantic, you can come and enjoy these amazing parts of the island. All right, See you at the next one. Cheers.